Oh, I chose to come to this bus tour in Detroit because I follow Asia on Instagram. It was a lot of good things to see in Detroit. I wanted to actually come, just get a good idea for myself.
My experience so far has been amazing. I love the cycle boat, starting off the tour where we got to go on the water and see the whole Detroit waterfront. That was amazing to me.
Detroit is a very amazing opportunity that people have the potential to capitalize on right now because it's still below market. Also to learn the market because it's very diverse, unlike any other market.
I love the vibe here, and actually I feel very comfortable, investing here. Even though I don't live here, I'm just now learning, but it piqued that or sparked that interest.
Oh man, the knowledge is almost overwhelming. Free flowing of ideas, exchange of information, new knowledge, just connecting with like-minded people who want to better themselves and better their community.
Okay, this is the time to get greedy. Just go for it. Don't listen to what you read on the media about the Detroit market. Okay, if you're not investing in Detroit, you're missing out.
Hey, look at me. This right here is a risk-averse person. And if I'm here, you can be here.